Ever bought a used iPhone and wondered, when was this thing actually purchased? Knowing the original purchase date is a powerful piece of information, especially for warranty or resale. Today I'm going to show you 3 quick and easy ways to find the exact date, and the last one is the most accurate method of all. First up, we'll use the Apple Care and warranty information. Open your settings, go to General, and then tap About. You should see a section for Apple Care coverage or limited warranty. When you tap on that, you see your device's coverage expiration date. Since all new iPhones come with a 1-year warranty, you can simply count back a year from that expiration date to get a good estimate of the original purchase date. For example, if the warranty expires in September 2024, the phone was likely purchased in September 2023. Method number 2, battery health. The second method is a clever trick using your iPhone's battery health. Go back to your settings, scroll down to battery, then tap on battery health and charging. Here you'll see a first use date. This is the date the battery was first activated. If the battery is the original one that came with the phone, this date will align perfectly with the phone's purchase date. This is a great way to confirm the first method. Now for the most accurate method, which gives the exact purchase date, this requires your iPhone serial number. Go to Settings, General, and then About. So we're in the Settings menu, go to General, go to About. Just find your serial number, press and hold on to it, and select Copy. Now open up any web browser and go to checkcoverage.apple.com. Scroll down and enter your serial number in the serial number field. Hit submit. This result will show you the exact purchase date for your iPhone straight from Apple's record. It's the most reliable way to know for sure. There you have it. 3 different ways to find your iPhone's purchase date. Now you'll have all the info you need for warranty claims, reselling, or just satisfying your curiosity. Ever wonder if you can use split screen on iPhone? Check out this video to see.